In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your profit on MetaTrader 4. If you're new to MT4 or you just need a quick refresher, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to look so you can see, at a glance, whether your open trades are in the green or in the red. Start by opening MetaTrader 4. Give the platform a moment to connect to your broker's server. The profit you're about to check is calculated from your currently open positions and updates live with each price tick, so being connected is important. Next, press Ctrl+T on your keyboard to open the terminal. The terminal is the panel that sits along the bottom of MT4. Think of it as your control center for trading information. If the panel was already open, that shortcut simply brings it to the front. If it was hidden, it will appear. Inside the terminal, you'll see several tabs. For checking open trade results, we'll focus on one of them. Click the Trade tab. This tab lists every open position and pending order on your account. Each row shows the symbol, ticket, lot size, entry price, stop loss, and take profit if you set them, current price, and more. At the bottom of this tab, MT4 also summarizes key account metrics like balance, equity, margin, free margin, and the floating profit or loss that your open trades are generating right now. Now, look for the profit column. This is the number that tells you how each trade is doing in real time, in your account's base currency. A positive value means the position is currently in profit. A negative value means it's currently in a loss. Colors may help signal this too, depending on your theme, but the plus or minus sign is the most reliable cue. As price moves, you'll see these values change tick by tick. If you don't have any open trades, you'll either see no rows here or zeros, which simply means there's nothing active to measure. A quick tip for context. The figure you see in the profit column reflects spread, and it also incorporates any commission and swap that applies to the instrument and account type. That's why profit can fluctuate even if price barely moves. You can also glance at the total profit line in the summary at the bottom to see your overall floating result across all open positions. And that's it. Open MT4, bring up the terminal with Ctrl+T, click the Trade tab, and read the profit column to see whether you're up or down.